and don'ts of Google My Business post. So, you want to boost engagement and rank higher on Google Maps? Your GMB posts matter, but if you're doing them wrong, you're wasting your time. Here's what you must do and avoid. Number 1, post weekly updates. So Google loves fresh content, promotions, events, new services. Keep your audience engaged. Another one, use high quality image and videos. So post with visual gets 3 times more engagement.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@KherkRoldanSEO.com.
Another here, add a clear CTA or call to action like book now, learn more, call us to drive conversions. And you can also use keywords naturally. Mentioning best SEO agency in the city helps with local search visibility. Here's what you can do. Spam with too many keywords on Google because Google hates keyword stuffing and may flag your post. Another one here, post low quality stock images because Google prioritizes original content for better rankings.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
Ignore customer comments, engagement because it can boost trust and visibility. Respond to every question and reviews. Let posts expire. Old inactive profile lose visibility. Keep posting weekly to stay relevant.